What's your room number?
155.
Thank you.
W155.
Okay. I'll put that down here. Yeah. I will give you a number. 12 o'clock on Wednesday.
Okay.
Noon, 12 noon. Wednesday, 4/27. Hopefully.
Joshua.
So I'm gonna start with the pump today.
Yes.
Hi, Josh. Wake up,
Yeah,
buddy.
you got the instructions on there how the nurses will help you.
Yeah.
Every 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay. Just a little reminder note for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, that'll be good because they're helpful and that way,
Yeah,
they can help.